Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Dealers. My name is Andy and now I will give you an important market update regarding the crypto market. And of course we will focus on Bitcoin and Ethereum, okay? Because Bitcoin is the leading indicator for the entire market, so to say, okay? So guys, let me show you. As of right now, I have two trades open. There's nothing spectacular here, I would say. You can see one trade is about 6%, 6.5% in the profit. The other one about 89% in the profit. And as always guys, you know, if you use my link to sign up, for example, for these trades are open on Phemex or on Bybit, you will always get the highest available bonuses, okay? As of right now, you will get over $8,000 in accumulated bonuses. And even if you already have an account, I mean, I have also multiple accounts because, for example, if you are in a swing long and you want to scalp, then you, of course, need another account, okay? So it always makes sense. And if you want to support this channel or get the highest available bonus, so it's a win-win for both of us, use the links in the description. So guys, let's jump into the charts. As you can see on the 4-hour time frame for Bitcoin, we are in this ascending channel since about the 19th of June, okay? And as of right now, you can see here that we are almost on the top, yeah? And the second important pattern that we are in right now is this ascending triangle, okay? And as per definition, ascending triangles are more likely to break to the downside, okay? So the stochastic RSI is somewhere in the middle, so it doesn't really give us a big conclusion on the 4-hour time frame. But the interesting factor here is, you see the VPVR on the 4-hour time frame. We have a lot of volume here. That means a lot of support in the region of about $24,000. And as of right now, we are touching or almost touching here the downwards, the support line, so to say, of this triangle. Let's go to the 1-hour time frame. And as we can see here right now, the RSI is almost on the downside, so you could make a little curvature and then go up again. So as you can see, we have this support zone here, again at about $24,400 on the 1-hourly time frame. And then down here again at 23,900, as you can see, depends on the time frame, of course, that we check here. So what could happen now? We could bounce off this line and go up here, but the problem is then that we have two resistance lines, the yellow line from the ascending triangle and the blue one of the ascending channel, okay? So this is what's going on for Bitcoin right now, and of course we will have a breakout here, okay? We don't know exactly when it will happen, but as you can see, the triangle would somehow end on, let's say, in about 2 days, yeah? But the breakout can happen any moment right now because we are here at this line, okay, guys? So very important. This could be, of course, an interesting opportunity for a short trade because the target of this triangle would be down here at about $22,700. So this could be a nice trade. And so guys, let's jump over to Ethereum. Ethereum, on the hourly time frame, you can see we ran into this resistance line here. And as you can also see, the RSI went down. So this is already almost down. And we have a big support level here from the VPVR at about $1,880. So as of right now, we have this. We ran into the $2,000 price level resistance, so to say. And the RSI is moving down. So this could mean that we are going down a little bit more and then maybe make a retest of this resistance line, yeah? As you can see, a big support level here from the VPVR, and up here, actually there's not such a, from the VPVR, there's not a big resistance, but we have from the technical analysis, the $2,000 price level, that's, big resistance from the price action and also mentally, so to say, for people, yeah, because it's an even number, okay? It's an even number. So guys, that's what the market looks right now. It looks right now, and also we have actually here this ascending, let me show you guys. We could draw this ascending channel here, yeah? And as you know guys, it's also more likely that they break to the downside. So as you can see, the RSI is not down right now, so we could make, it could happen that we have a breakdown out of this channel down to the, let's say, about $1,900 price level, and then the RSI should also go up and we could attack, so to say, this $2,000 price level again, yeah? That's what's going on right now, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.